Now the third question of exercise 7.4 is the points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. There are 4 parts. Its first part is the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of D. There are 4 parts in this question. First, I am going to solve the first part. Now we have a triangle ABC. It is given to us. Coordinates of A, x1, y1. Coordinates of B, x2, y2. Coordinates of C, x3, y3. AD is a median. A median from A meets BC at D. I am to find the coordinates of D. Let the coordinates of D are A and B. Now let me tell you the definition of a median. A line joining the vertex with the midpoint of its opposite side is called the median of a triangle. So AD is the median. So it means D is the midpoint of BC. Since it is given AD is the median, so D is the midpoint of BC. Now AD is the median. So it implies D is the midpoint of BC. And we know how to find the midpoint. So A is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2 and B is equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2. So coordinates AB are x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. So this is our first part. On the next page, I'll solve the second part. Now, its second part is find the coordinates of the point P on AD such that AP ratio PD is 2:1. I'll draw the figure here again. Now, this is the figure. We know the coordinates of ABC and we know now the coordinates of D also. Now, in the question, we are to find the coordinates of the point P on AD such that AP ratio PD is 2:1. So this is the point P. And this divides AD in the ratio 2:1. I am to find the coordinates of this P. Let the coordinates are x and y. I'm going to draw this line AD here. Let this line is AD. Let this point is P. And P divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Coordinates of A, x1, y1. Coordinates of D, x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2. I have taken its coordinates as xy. So I am to find the coordinates of P. We know how to find the coordinates of P. So x is equal to 2 into x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 into x1 upon 2 plus 1. So this and this is cancelled. So x is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3. Y is equal to 2 multiply y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 cancelled. So I have y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3. So coordinates of x are, you can write it as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. And this can be written as y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So coordinates of P are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So this is the answer. Now its third part is find the coordinates of the point Q and R on medians BE and CF respectively, such that BQ ratio QE is equal to 2:1 and CR ratio RF is equal to 2:1. So I am going to draw a figure here. Now this is the figure. This is figure 2 and let this figure is 3. Now he says in the question, find the coordinates of the point Q and R. I am to find the coordinates of this Q and R on the median BE and CF. It means BE is the median and CF is the median. such that BQQ is in the ratio 2:1. BQ and QE is in the ratio 2:1. Similarly, CR and RF, they are in the ratio 2:1. Coordinates of A are x1, y1. This is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Similarly here, x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Now here in this figure, BE is the median. It means E is the midpoint of AC. So coordinates of E are x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2. So let me write it here. Its coordinates x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2. Similarly, CF is the median. It's given to us. It means F is the midpoint of AB. So coordinates of F are x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So they are the coordinates of F. Now here in this second figure, I am to find the coordinates of Q. I have taken it as xy. Similarly, I have taken here coordinates of R as xy. So I am to find its coordinates. So here, so BE is the line. Coordinates of B and coordinates of E are given. Ratio is given to us. We have to find its coordinates. So x is equal to 2 into x1 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 into x2 upon 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 cancelled. So that is equal to x1 plus x3 plus x2 upon 3. Similarly, y is equal to 2 multiply with this y1 plus y3 upon 2 and 1 multiply with this y2 upon 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 into y1 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 into y2 upon 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 2 and 2 cancelled. So y1 plus y3 plus y2 upon 3. Now similarly in this figure also. So I am to find the coordinates of R. Similarly in this figure also, I am to find the coordinates of R. So x is equal to 1 multiply with x3 and 2 multiply with x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus 1. This and this cancelled. So this is equal to x3 plus x1 plus x2 upon 3. Similarly, y is equal to 1 multiply with y3, 2 multiply with y1 plus y2 upon 2 plus 1. This and this is cancelled. So I have y3 plus y1 plus y2 upon 3. So what we have seen in the three cases, the coordinates of PQR are the same. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So coordinates of PQR are same. Now I'm going to solve the fourth part. Now its fourth part is, what are the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle ABC? I'm going to draw a figure here. Now this is the figure. ABC is a triangle. Coordinates of ABC are given. AD is the median, BE is the median, and CF is the median. This is given to us. And we know median of a triangle meet at a point. And that point is called the centroid of a triangle. So this point, since AD is the median, B is the median, CF is the median. So this is a centroid. This is called a centroid of a triangle. So centroid of a triangle is a point where all the medians intersect. So we have seen coordinates of this centroid in the part 2 and part 3 are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So coordinates of centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Actually, this question is to explain to the students how to find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. This is a formula. If all the 3 coordinates of a triangle are given, then the centroid of a triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. I want to give one example here. Now, suppose this is a question in which AD, BE, and CF are the medians, and coordinates of A, B, C are given. How you will find the coordinates of P? P is a centroid of this triangle, and how you will find the coordinates of P? Coordinates of P are 3 plus 2 plus 5 upon 3 and 4 plus 3 plus 6 upon 3. That is, coordinates of P are 10 upon 3 and 13 upon 3. So directly you will find the coordinates of P. That will be the answer. So this question is explained to you what is the formula for finding the centroid of a triangle. This question is how this formula for finding the centroid of a triangle is derived. Now you have a formula to find the coordinates of a centroid of a triangle. Directly you will apply this formula and you will find the coordinates of the centroid.